So the second set of head bolts is out. I had to pause. I had an incoming call, but the second set of head bolts came out. So second, is this the left or the right now? Is going to come down. Looks like there might still be one more screw. Oh no, it wasn't. You just needed some leverage. What? The liquid? Oh yeah, that's gonna come out. There we go. And there goes the second piece. Oops, sensor still connected. There we go. Woo! And like we said before, some more carbon deposits. So far, this is what we have. And there goes your valves. Sometimes you hear somebody having a leak with the valve oil seals. Sometimes you see leaks where if you put liquid in here, you'll see bubbles, which shouldn't be happening.
Yes, but this one is fire.
Yeah, these ones are okay. Occasionally, you might hear about adjusting lifters. Well, this is what they're talking about when they do that. So you see how these move, babe? Can you show
You have to
them?
you have to get
Yeah.
You have to get the tool for it.
But yeah, that's the piece they're talking about adjusting right there. Whenever you hear somebody talking about adjusting the lifters.
Gauge here?
So this is also going to make it into the weird and our weird file. So remember how I said we needed to do my lifters? These come all in one piece. Normally where you would have your lifters, if there's nothing here for the lifters to work with. So yeah, we didn't even really need lifters. We just needed to adjust the valves. Oddly enough, the lifters are sold for this car, but non-existent. So yeah, chalk that up to the weird board. So right now, Sadiq has let us know he needs a break.
Yes,
Because this looks easy because I skipped, but this is not easy. There's a reason his arms look the way they do. So he's going to take a break, and when we go through some more stuff, we're going to come back and continue.